2 years of healing, and this is what we have right now. A lot better. Luckily my job, I have to do a lot of bending and climbing, so it keeps the knees, the skin around the knees stretched. If you don't move around, the skin will heal tight and you won't be able to bend down. So I put the vitamin E cream on most every day just to keep the skin from cracking and drying where it bends all the time. So it doesn't hurt or anything, it's just a little inconvenience and a reminder of stay away from concrete, especially on a big cement truck. The Quikrete didn't seem to bother me, but the concrete truck makes it up a little hotter. So anyway, I thought I'd give an update. This is what we got now, 2 years later.